Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled red cabbage. This classic condiment is surprisingly easy to prepare at home, adding a delightful tang and vibrant color to many dishes. We will start by gathering your core ingredients, which are readily available in most kitchens. You'll find that the process is straightforward and yields delicious results, perfect for enhancing your meals. Now, let's get our star ingredient ready. Take 1 medium red cabbage and finely shred it, either by hand or using a food processor. Next, massage the shredded cabbage with about 1 tablespoon of salt for several minutes. This helps to draw out moisture and soften the cabbage, making it perfect for pickling. Finally, pack it tightly into your clean jars. With your cabbage prepared, it's time to create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine equal parts of vinegar, such as white wine or cider vinegar, and water. Then, stir in about 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of salt. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, ensuring all the sugar and salt fully dissolve. This hot brine is key to the pickling process. Once your brine is ready, carefully pour the hot liquid over the packed red cabbage in your jars. Make sure the cabbage is completely submerged to ensure even pickling. Allow the jars to cool to room temperature before sealing them. Then, refrigerate your pickled cabbage for at least 2 days to let the flavors develop fully. It's delicious with many meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.